Hi Adam,
Hello.
how are you?
Very good.
So could you introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your role at Excel and your love for food?
So I'm Adam. I'm the development chef here at Excel. Worked here for 9 years, and I love food for multiple reasons. It sustains us, it provides for us, it allows us to be creative, it connects us with our past, and it connects us with the natural world. Plant forward, to me, really means making the fruit or the vegetable or the grain the star of the dish, connecting with the natural environment, the seasons, and really showcasing a fantastic product. We are taking a plant-forward approach to ultimately reduce our carbon emissions, allowing us to hit our target of achieving net zero by 2027. So over the coming months, we're going to be showing you a selection of seasonal plant-forward dishes, and we're going to be introducing you to the fantastic culinary team here at Excel. We know you'll enjoy it, but we hope you'll enjoy it.